Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rainy. So right in this video today, we are going to be looking into how many crypto you need to have in your portfolio. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and make sure you smash the like button for me. So let me know waste your time. The most important thing people do not understand is that there are so many people who have little understanding about diversification, and diversification is our protection against ignorance for the most part. And if you know how to analyze tokens and value what you are given, okay, which means the token utility, knowing about the token utility, okay, it is crazy to have more than 50 tokens in your portfolio, and that's the truth a lot of people get to not understand. So if you have no clue about the crypto space, and you only look up videos like this one and articles on what to buy, you need to be gathered up and make sure you apply these key rules which I'm going to tell you right in this video. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. Okay, so the first one is going to be, you need to make sure you have stablecoins. Stablecoins, they are ideal investment option, okay, because you don't know enough about the crypto space, so you must make sure you limit your investing pressure to not take a lot of risk in the volatile crypto market. This will help you so you don't get to lose all of your funds, because one of the biggest mistake a lot of people make in the crypto market is that they just come in a crypto market and they start investing so much because they've made a few amount of profit without understanding about the crypto space, forgetting that crypto also have ups and downs. So number two we have right here is diversification. Diversification is both for the pro and also for the newbies, but for the newbies, they would be needing this so much because they need to make sure they invest into tokens they understand and that has an impact into our real world, like BNB coin. Okay, BNB token is owned by Binance Exchange, which is known by billions of people around the globe, and Binance Exchange is a well reputable exchange where people trade their assets like crypto and some other ones. Okay, so understanding about the business and what they are there to do will give you a good head up, so you could be able to know on the type of coin you're about to invest into. Okay, and the more knowledge you have about the crypto space and the tokens, the less diversification you will need if you are a newbie. So the most important thing you also need to be on lookout for is the token time frame, okay, which I'm going to show you, and how much it has generated within a certain period of time. Anytime I try to tell you guys about any coin, I try to show you guys this is very important. Okay, this is the historical data which you should always get on. This will give you more insight, and so you could be able to envision more bigger to any paramount level you want. Okay, so aside from that, you also need to make sure you research the management and owners of the tokens. As you guys already know that CZ Binance, he's the owner of Binance Exchange, and he's the CEO and a co-founder of Binance Coin and also Binance Exchange, and that is very important for you to understand. And aside from that, you need to also recognize who the main competitor of that token you are in are. You need to also compare the price of these tokens to other opportunity in our crypto space, as we have BNB, that is Ethereum killer. Okay, not like they are both competing, but BNB is here to serve people with a low transaction fee, why Ethereum has increased so much in price and their gas fee is always crazy. You could be able to envision that and check on the price. Like, there should be a price comparison, because since you're new, you need to make sure you do all of that. And importantly, if you do not understand these things, it's more better to make sure you buy little of well popular crypto as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, and you need to also make sure you stock up your remaining money on stable coins. and make sure you don't FOMO in when you're about to buy in on any coin. Do not just FOMO, because FOMOing on most of these coins is not even necessary, because definitely they will still come back to dance to your tunes. And not just that, the coin will always bounce back, and the coin will always increase, and it will always fall behind again. So make sure you don't FOMO, because there's always time for everything, and you must not be able to make all the whole profit right in a crypto market. So since you are more like a newbie, you need to make sure you don't have so much crypto, so you could be able to know on what you're doing, and not being able to lose so much money. Make sure you stock up your money right on a stable coin. That will help a lot. Then for those of us who are more like a pro right in a crypto space, we can be able to have as many tokens as possible, because one is that we understand our crypto space, and we understand about the coin that we are bargaining and the utility, and we could be able to analyze most of all those coins, because the most important thing is that you need to value the coin that you are about to buy, and also be able to analyze, so you could be able to have as many coin as possible. Then you can hold on to it as long as you really want. So that's it, guys. On my next video, I'm going to show you guys on how you could be able to analyze most of all these coins, and you could be able to make more money, and 10x or 50x, or make so much money. And do not forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification. Share this video, make sure you smash the like button, and see you on the next one.